Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hey guys, this is Shesham from Megitech. The thing is guys, today I want to talk with you something about the upcoming technology which we are going to add up in the future. Not right now. So anyhow guys, you all know that this is the mobile phone right now I was using OnePlus Nord. The thing is guys, I was ready to connect to the 5G network. So whenever the 5G was available in India, then I was ready to take the 5G network. So what about you guys? Are you ready for the 5G network? I was just kidding. Don't buy the mobile phones only for the 5G network because it takes, in my prediction, of course we know that the Jio come forward to take this 5G project plan in India. But anyhow, we see the 5G network in the future. Probably, if my prediction is correct, we can see the 5G network in India in the end of the 2021. Definitely, of course, even if the 5G network was launched in India, I do not know when it was going to be available for the location where I was living. But anyhow, let's talk about something the crazy information today. The thing is, guys, in my childhood, I have known the 2G network. In 2010, at that time period, we have the 3G. So like the days was going, the years was going, the engineers developing very hard to bring the system to our hands, which means the 4G network. You have seen the 4G network usually in Jio, Airtel and Idea also, but whereas in Jio was the first step in India which brings the service VoLTE, voice over internet. We can assume that HD calling feature, HD video calling, streamless, buffering, like that. So like that, the technology was keep moving on. So right now the 5G is the biggest network in the worldwide. So whereas guys, the thing is, in 5G we can assume when compared to 4G, the speed of the 5G was around 20 times faster than the 4G network. So like that, the upcoming network was about the 6G. Yes guys, when compared to 5G, the 6G speed was around 10 to 100 times, which means, do you know that in just less than 1 second, is it possible to download the 1000 GB file? 1000 GB file means 1 terabyte. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible with the help of the 6G spectrum, which was going to be launched very soon in the world. The thing is guys, for example, any movie in the world, even it is the Blu-ray, HD or high bitrate video also, the maximum size of the video file is around 10 GB. So whereas if you want to download the 10 GB file by using the 6G network, it not even take the time we are going to click on the link, because as I told you, the speed of the 6G is around 1000 GB per second, which was ultimate beast power. Before talking about the 6G, I want to talk few things about the 5G network. Actually guys, the country China is the country assumed we want to bring the 5G network first to the world, but in reality it was not happen. The American, UK, South Korea, these countries will bring the 5G network faster than the China. Whereas in 2019, October 31st, the China introduced the 5G network. I mean, they started the implementation of the 5G network, but already it was very late because these countries, America, UK and South Korea, was already implemented the 5G network. So usually the China was bad. So hence the China get guilty insult. So that's the reason the Ministry of Science and Technology in China those declared they was going to work on the 6G spectrum. So hence they also formed two groups, whereas the one group is belongs to the government officials and another group is belongs to the private individual organization. So both these groups combined and they was working on the 6G spectrum. So whereas guys, China was already implement the development of the 6G spectrum. So usually American country do not like the China bringing the 6G network first time in the world. So that's why the American country was also started to bring up this 6G network. We know that company Huawei is an industry leader company in terms of telecommunication infrastructure. This company will provide all the accessory components to all over the world in terms of telecommunications, and also this Huawei company also purchase the goods from the American also, and also they will sell the products to the America and the rest of the remaining companies. But the thing is guys, whenever the China already started the 6G network, usually America don't like that. So hence American country stopped buying the Huawei products and saying that it was issue for their security. So hence not only that, American country also declared a statement, don't buy any components from the Huawei because it causes issues to the country security. security like that. American companies given the statement. So whatever it may be, right now the 6G also working very fast in the China, and also America also take the project. Whereas in South Korea, the Samsung company also take the project to work with the 6G. In North Finland, the 6G project was extremely too much. They invested around 261 million euros, guys. Because guys, we know that the bandwidth of the 5G was short, but whereas the bandwidth of the 6G was extremely too high. Usually when there was heavy rains, when there was hills falls, trees falls, I mean national disasters, at that times we usually get issue with the signal reception, but it will overcome in the 6G network. So which means it was like a beast in the telecommunication network. So usually the cost of the network also very high, but we don't know when this type of 6G network was going to be available in India, but we can probably estimate it will take around 2030 or 31, like the time period we can expect the 6G network in India. So anyhow guys, when compared to 5G, we have the fastest internet in 6G, and also the bandwidth is also very good in 6G, and also it has a low latency level, so which means we just need to click on it, then the file will download immediately. So my prediction, the 6G will change the entire world. So anyhow guys, but the thing is, of course there was a very advantage of the 6G, but on the other hand side, its impact very badly on the nature. So we all know that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction according to Newton's law. So like that, whenever the technology going on, definitely there should be a opposite reaction which was work against for us. We don't know when this 6G was coming to India, for to be frankly, whereas this 4G network only is not available in many places in our country India, especially in villages also we shouldn't have the 4G network. So like that, I don't know when the 6G network was going to be come in India. As I told you, maybe in 2034. Have to wait. I hope I have provided something information about this 6G. So if you have any kind of questions, just let us know in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you the best. Thank you so much guys for spending your valuable time with me. Thanks a lot for your love, support and commitment. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.